Bitcoin, June 28th, 2026, weekly update. I'm going to start from the top-down analysis, starting with the monthly chart. We got Bitcoin rising, then dropping back from October. So now we're in June and still on a downside, really bearish. So overall, this is a bearish move in a high time frame. Weekly time frame, you got the 200 MA, the line here, and the price crossed under the 200 MA, showing weakness. It actually closed below it, showing definite weakness. If this candle doesn't pop back up, it could possibly keep on going down to this swing low, possibly, which is around 48.9. Daily time frame, price action went under the 200 MA, which bent down here, showing weakness. Price action went up, down, up, trying to test the 200 MA, but showed weakness and plunged back down. So we're definitely in a bear cycle here. Question is, can it regain? Go down to the 1 hour, back down, down under, all down under 200 MA. So definite weakness on this asset. If we look to see if there's any lingering CME gaps, we can go over here on a 1 hour time frame. See how we have a gap up here, two gaps right around here, overlapping, but nothing down here. No gaps up here from these previous weeks. There may have been a change in the market in how they record things, because I'm not seeing gaps as easy as I used to before. It's showing some activity on Saturdays, so the gaps are not showing as they used to. So let's transfer and see what happened over to if we use trend lines. If we use a trend line strategy, we're seeing this is the action line, 4 hour action line, connecting this, two highs, or maybe three highs around here. And we can see that price action still hit this and dumped down. We have the 200 MA, the yellow 200 MA. Price action went down underneath that. We had more connections here with the yearly safety line, and that got crushed under, or broken under. So now it's bounced up here, then bounced below, could not gain effort above it, and came back down. And now if you see this box here, accumulation box, we're just going sideways, which means that's what accumulation means, just sideways consolidation. So let's see if we go under this box or not and try to hit this purple line at the 52.5 area. If that's the case, there's liquidity down there. As you can see on this dashboard we have on the side, each time frame, 1 minute, 5, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, all bearish, all weakness. So we'll have to see what's going to go on with that. We do have some news coming up in this week from, I believe, Tuesday to Friday. I believe Thursday is going to have a high income or high impact driver. So I have to keep aware on that, but that might be around here is when we're going to see a news coming. But there's a lot of other little news here and there that might shake things up. Just wanted to see if it keeps on going down, keeps going up. But that's going to be the update for Bitcoin. Overall bearish for the week though. And if you have any questions, feel free to add comments at the bottom of the video, or you can also see that I have a Twitter or X account that you can check out as well too. If you want to join our Discord, feel free to reach out to me, and we can talk about it. Just like and subscribe if you like this content.